everyone, I am Saloni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought all the students to perform the outdoor English activity just to check their confidence level and overcome their nervousness and glossophobia. So I'm going to interact with them by having some of the questions. So I want everybody to stay on the channel to get their way of talking and their confidence level. So it will be also beneficial for all of you. Let's get started. So hi, how are you? I'm too good by the grace of Almighty. So how did you feel after interacting with your batchmates in English in the open area?
Mostly I interact with my batchmates in the class. They will not, I'm feeling not, I'm feeling confidently speaking in the class, feeling confidently. But when I come in the open area, the little bit problem having,
Like what kind of the problem you are having?
people see and all. But when I talking back to my batchmates, then
So this little nervousness you are getting. So nowadays, most of the people they prefer to learn in four walls in the classroom. Okay, and as you have been experienced this activity, so which one is impactful for those students who want to speak English, who want to overcome their glossophobia, means fear of speaking publicly? So what would you like to suggest?
uh, for the suggestion for the learner to come to interact the people. The firstly they will not happen because everyone fear. They don't have any previous experience and all. That is the reason they speaking with stranger or in the open area they will not happen. But when you try first time, second time, the little bit your nervousness and all the things are diminished, and then you easily speak with the people.
So which one you think is more impactful, classroom or talking publicly?
Talking publicly is more impactful. Yeah, you learn in the classroom, but when you go outside or speaking with any stranger people, then you stuck in between or fear lot, and you focus on the people wise say or anything like that. But when you start to speaking publicly and do the in open areas, they will not happen in any time you speak the stranger and all.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your perception that you like the public speaking a lot, means interacting with the public publicly. So, hello sir. Hello. How are you? I'm well. What about you? I'm also too good by the mercy of Almighty. So, I'm very happy to see you here as your batch is also not running, but still you had the courage that you joined us and you try to interact with us. So, Raviraj, tell me one thing. You have already visited some of the places. So, which places you found more interactive and like fascinating than the garden?
First of all, thank you for inviting me to here for this meeting. And if you ask about the question, then my answer is that the garden is so beautiful. But there I visited many places outdoor. Some places are the most beautiful for me. That is where I live. There is one river that child and children enjoy it because it is very great sound. And I feel whenever I feel very upset, that time I'm going.
So, as your course has been over, so do you still maintain your practice or not?
I think I'm with my native because anyone wants to speak with me in English and regularly use my native language. But little I want to focus on my communication skills because it is very important for improving my skills. Whenever I go outside for the that time the interviewer asks to me in English, and that time I feel very upset because I'm not giving regular impactful answer. So because of that, I think I want to improve my skills.
But I would recommend you guys to interview. What would you like to those learners who have the courage to brush up their own English, but because of their hectic schedule, because of their problem, they do not do? What would you like to tell them?
Everyone has busy schedule. Everyone wants to do practice of English, but they don't have time because that they do not speak well. So I think everyone make up one schedule for they want to give some time for the improving our English language. For example, if you have the 1 hour, then what you do? You break that hour for the 15 minutes and for first 15 minutes you read, second 15 minutes you watch the video, and then after 15 minutes you write, and last 15 minutes you read. You speak more, and you try to maintain whatever you write, whatever you watch. That if you do like that activity regularly, then I think everyone improve our English very good.
Start.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
How your day is treating you nowadays? Why do you say that it's going tough for you?
Because I was sick yesterday, so that's why. And I'm still recovering from sick.
So, as you are facing the people while interacting with your batchmates and in front of you in English, so do you have any kind of like butterfly in your stomach, means nervousness?
Yes. After coming here, so because of there are so many crowd here, so after coming here I felt some nervousness, but as I started my activity, so I boost my confidence and overcome my nerves.
Okay. So, in these days, some people are going with the flow, with the materialistic things. So they are not realizing what exactly they should do in their life. So what would you like to say them?
So first of all, don't go with the flow. Okay, first of all, don't go with the flow. So understand your abilities, your passion, and start working on them. So if you have some another qualities or passion, hobbies, so follow that. So don't go with flow. You should follow your own thinking or own passion. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, sir, how are you? What's your name? Could you please speak a bit loudly?
My name is Saurabh.
So, being with them, how do you feel? As they are teenagers and you are an adult. So, how are you feeling while being with them and interacting with them in English? Do you not feel that they are the teenagers, I am married, so I will not speak, something like that?
I was in India because we have activity, because we have to more share how to speak at them. You are English, you are share. So I can join this activity and I speak now speak to anyone speak to English. I will try.
what is this? So I will try to speak to my English, improve my English, because I have done a few days to join this class.
So as you joined a few days ago,
Yeah.
so how is your experience after joining the class and their behavior, means your bachelor's behavior, how do they behave with you, do they cooperate you or not?
I am going that time. I like it's a very nice book because too, I will start to in the class. Some students are speaking English. That time I realized he was totally speak English. So can I speak to English? That time increased my thoughts and my confidence.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I really like. So hello ma'am, what's your name? My name is Saidi. So sir, so I'm going to ask you that you have confidence. Okay. So when you talk in the classroom, okay, so that time you feel really confident. Okay. But when you interact any unknown person, you know that he or she doesn't know anything, but still you feel bit nervousness. So why? I know like since why it happens? As you are learning English, you are the student of me. So you must be double confident, right? So why are you feeling nervousness? So I have taught you a lot of grammar. Okay. So here, what do you think? Grammar is important. Grammar is not important. Confidence is important. You have confidence when you speak anyone in front of anyone. So what would you like to suggest those learners who are staying at their home? They are also willing to develop their personality. They are willing to improve their English. So what would you like to suggest to them? Say them, you only focus on your English speaking, but focus on your grammar. You speak confidently. You speak in English to anyone, and your English improve one day, and also your confidence. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, hello, ma'am. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. So, I have some of the questions that I want to ask you. So, even I want you to give me the answer. Okay. So, nowadays, you keep on practicing at your home. Okay. So you are also improving your English bit by bit. So do you have confidence that you can interact with any strangers outside? Yeah. Do you have? But I speak literally English, so I might be confident and I'm not nervous. So I have told you 4 techniques, L, S, R, W. Yeah. So which one is more effective? Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Speaking. So why do you think speaking is really very important?
Because you tell me just to speak any word, anything. Don't you think what the meaning of a word and you speak. Speaking is very important. Yeah, speaking is very important.
So what would you like to tell them as per your own experience?
I feel you just speak any word, any questions, you don't think what the meaning of question, what the meaning of word. You just speak and start. Thank you so much.
So, hello ma'am. So, are you feeling lethargic? Means boring?
No, ma'am. Enjoying.
You are enjoying.
Yes.
So, what did you mostly like about this garden?
Place is open and surrounding all people enjoying it, this garden and relaxed mind.
So, means it is not impacting you that you are interacting in English and people are watching you, they are looking at you. So, it is not impacting on you.
Yeah, some question. Because this activity in first time and I'm speaking in English publicly. That's I'm not thinking about that surrounding me people. I'm only focus on speak.
So, as it has been couple of days for your joining.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now can you proudly say that you will improve your English?
Yeah, little bit.
You will improve 100%.
Yeah, 40 or 50%. Right now, 100% sure.
So, if you stay with them, so can you truly say you will improve your English?
Yes,
100%?
100%.
So, why do you think that you will improve your English 100%?
Because at this position, my confidence is low. I'm thinking about English, but not speaking. Actually, this is my mistake. I'm on language, only speak, not English. So interacting another person, just strangers with my batch, then speaking in English daily words. So my improving English 100%.
With them because they are also nice
They are
and they are
also
also speaking well.
Well.
Their confidence level is on top.
Yeah.
So if you be with them, if you interact with them on the daily basis, so your English will be also improve. Okay, thank you so much. So my next and last participant is going to be Neha. So hi Neha, would you like to introduce yourself?
No, anyone because you told my name.
No, apart from your name, would you like to tell something different to the audience? Okay, fine. So, Neha, as you have come here at the very first time, and so many activities that I took, even grammar and public speaking, a lot of activities I have taught you. So, what is the common that is now supporting you here to stand in front of the people and interacting in English? What is one thing?
That is public speaking activity you will do. So that is impactful for me because that boosts my confidence.
So, because of speaking, you can speak in front of anybody.
Yes.
So, now are you having any other type of fear about your grammar? Like if people listen to me, what they will think? They will look at me, they will judge my grammar, yeah, they will criticize me, what she is doing. Do you have such kind of the
Nothing, but anyone doesn't know the grammar. If you will speak, doesn't notice your words, they notice your expressions. So grammar is not important because anyone doesn't know English. I know that nothing know the English. So that is the grammar is keep on side and just speak.
So, how much would you like to rate your English? Like, how much you have improved?
I think I improve half.
Means 50% you have improved. So, what would you like to do to improve 50% more?
I will speak more and more. That will help me to 100%.
Okay. So, when you have fear, any type of, so what you do to overcome your fear?
If I had fear, so I will speak.
So simply with the help of speaking, you can
Yes.
improve your level. You can overcome your any type of fear.
because in childhood we learn just writing and reading. Anyone doesn't tell us to speak, and that's the reason we struggling with the English. So,
Okay, thank you so much, Neha. So guys, as you have seen that these students have really shared their own perceptions in English, whatever questions that I had and that I asked them. So I would also request everybody, don't stay in the classroom and try to learn. If you are thinking that you will be learning in the classroom and your confidence will be developed, so you are in misconception. It is not going to be happen at all. So until you go out, interact with the people, improve your English, so your fear will really not diminish there. So today you have seen that these students really speak well when it comes to being in the classroom, but today they also felt bit nervous and they had little bit hesitation on their face. So ignore this, but I would request you from the next time that you should try to go publicly, try to interact with the people in public places, so that you will also improve your confidence level and you will get little bit more different things that is even not taught in the classroom. So thank you so much. If you really like this video, please try to share with your friends who are really needy, who also want to improve their English. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in the next video.